friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning and getting our lives together because I have to do this anyway, so thought I would include you. Yeah, we're going to be cleaning the kitchen area, the dining area, and the living room. So it sounds like a lot, but it's actually like this section of my home. So although it can be a little bit overwhelming to try and do all three, I'm gonna do what I can today. I've already been folding laundry, I've already cleaned my restroom, and like I normally don't recommend people doing all this at once. At the end of the week, we will be leaving to Universal Orlando, so let's get our lives together. Hopefully this will inspire you to clean, or maybe you can put it on in the background while you're cleaning with me, and let's get started. This shirt is from Park Hop Tees. On Instagram, I bought them. I have a code, I'll put it in the description. My friends at Fantasy USB sent me over this little charger, and I'm not kidding when I tell you guys that I actually use it like all the time. Like they don't ask that I put it in the video or anything, but it's a cute little portable charger and I use it pretty often. So let's get into today's video. I have some ambiance happening on my TV. We're gonna do a little bit of dusting, a little bit of mopping. So let's get started. And yeah, first thing I'm gonna do, actually, sometimes I like to do this, or normally I like to do this after I've already like deep cleaned and all that, but you know what? We need some vibes going, so that's what we're gonna do. So I got this candle from At Home. It actually smells really good, but it's time to light her. I did decorate for my husband's birthday right after mine. We did Dracula. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take down the decorations. I mean, I probably will, but not till later on today. But I'm gonna start with moving everything here, moving it out, and start mopping so that way it has time to dry. And of course, I do have my witch's brew here to give me some much needed energy. And then we have ambiance in the back. We're gonna start dusting, do all the things. And yeah, let's get started. Can we do all the things, Mr. Skelly? I think his face says it all.
For that assault. And years later, Colby would confirm that he had. JJ was Charles' sister. Dots had cared for JJ as an infant. The baby was substance abuse. This was before the man was adopted.
So it is the next day, and I did quite a lot yesterday. Not everything that I thought I was. Like, I don't know who I was when I said that I was gonna do like 3 areas. But I did get a lot done. Today, we're gonna have to finish the island area this afternoon, and then the living room area. So I'm gonna have to do that today. Again, I did get a lot done. I think I was just hoping that I could do a lot more, but at the end of the day, whenever I do everything at once, it's just a lot. And so normally I wouldn't do that. Like normally I would separate it by days, and we'll kind of do that schedule like next week. I'll show you guys. But yeah, it was a lot. But again, we leave for horror night, so I'm just trying to get done as much as possible. But again, normally I would try to break it down by days just to make it easier. I'm gonna pick up some lunch real quick. I am like the smallest that I've been on a GLP-1, but today I feel so bloated. Like I don't even know what's going on. Like I feel big even though I'm at my smallest, and I don't even know how that's possible. I guess bloated is the correct word. So yeah, there's that. We're gonna head to go pick something up to eat. I may, if I have time, I may stop by Barnes and Noble just to pick up Alchemized. So when I get back, I want to start on Onyx Storm because I picked it up during the time it released, but I've been kind of like avoiding reading it just because I know she's still, like we still don't even have the last book in the series. So I do want to start that once we get back from our trip. And then I do want to read Alchemized, but I need to give myself some time for Alchemized because I think it's like 1,000 pages. And again, I did read her fanfic Manacled, and that was about like the same. She just kind of reworked it to be like non-fan fiction, non-Harry Potter names, and like kind of world building, I guess. So I want to have that, but I'm not going to read that as soon as we get back. Like I think it's been like 2 months since I've read Manacled, and that absolutely destroyed me in the best way. So we're gonna go pick up the things. I'm wearing this shirt that I got, I think from Ross. I'm wearing my American Eagle high-rise straight leg jeans. I'm wearing my Doc Martens, and I'm obsessed with brown Doc Martens. I have my Vans tote here. It's in the leopard print. I think this one is sold out, but I think they have like the medium version. And then I have this from Hot Topic on my keychain. And then I kept it simple. I have on this Scaly Animal keychain that I got from Five Below. I really wanted Diego, but I got Macy, I think is her name. Oh, Marcy. I got Marcy. So yeah, that's the outfit today. And of course I have my Awala, which you guys, I got this for my birthday. I'm absolutely obsessed with the color. So let's go do that. Let's go do those things, and then we'll come back. We won't clean till later on this afternoon because I gotta do all the things, but yeah. So I did go ahead and pick up my Target order. I got some Alani News, some Witch's Brew, because that's how I survive these days, let's be real. And then I did get this sweatshirt from Target. I will put it linked below, although it is selling out pretty quickly. Here embroidered on the sleeve. And yeah, so it's actually really cute and comfy and cozy. This was like one of the last ones that they had. It said like low in stock, so went ahead and got it. But let's clean the living room. We're gonna mop the island area, and then I think we should be good. So we have to get this done because we need to pack for Universal, but I need my house to be clean before I leave. So let's put on a cozy movie and then let's get started. We're gonna call it a night. We're gonna eat and then I will clean the area after my kids eat. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a pack with me for Universal, but if you like any of those kinds of videos, make sure to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.